Ever felt the nerves creeping in before a big presentation? Or wished you had a voice that commands attention? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into something incredibly powerful yet often overlooked: the art of having a good voice. Understanding the elements of a good voice. Before we get started, let's break down what makes a voice good. It's a blend of clarity, tone, projection, and confidence. Each element plays a vital role in shaping your vocal identity. Clarity and enunciation. Firstly, focus on your breathing. A good voice starts with good breath control. Practice deep breathing exercises to support your voice and project it effortlessly. Scales, pitches, and vocal exercises, they aren't just for singers. Regularly practicing these exercises helps in refining your vocal range and clarity. Tone and pitch. Articulation matters. Pronounce your words clearly and crisply. Tongue twisters aren't just for fun, they're an excellent workout for your mouth muscles. Techniques for developing a better voice. Now that we've understood the components, let's delve into practical techniques to improve your voice. Breath control and projection. Inhale deeply through your diaphragm and exhale steadily while speaking. This technique enhances resonance and projection. Take a cue from great orators like Maya Angelou. Their confidence and charisma amplified the impact of their words. Vocal exercises. Explore vocal exercises that target different aspects of your voice: intonation, modulation, and pace. These exercises are your voice's gym session. Confidence, the key ingredient. No discussion about a good voice is complete without addressing the essential ingredient: confidence. Your voice reflects your inner confidence. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, and speak with conviction. Learning from the masters. Study the great speakers of history. Their ability to captivate audiences wasn't just about words. It was about the confidence and authenticity in their delivery. To sum it up, a good voice is a result of practice, control, and confidence. It's not about sounding like someone else. It's about finding your unique voice and owning it. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering the art of effective communication. Until next time, keep speaking your truth.